Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Plastikote is probably one of the most versatile and effective spray paints available on the market, offering a durable and attractive finish for a wide range of surfaces. Whether you're looking to refresh old furniture, add a pop of color to decorative items, or protect metal from rust, Plastikote provides a convenient and high-quality solution that's easy to apply and delivers professional-looking results. Its quick-drying formula and excellent adhesion make it a go-to choice for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike, ensuring your projects are completed efficiently and with a lasting, beautiful sheen that stands up to everyday wear and tear. Number 5. Raptor Liner Kit, Spray-On Truck Bed Liner. Introducing the Raptor Liner Kit, a tough and long-lasting solution for your truck bed. This advanced urethane coating is designed to withstand the elements, resisting stains, scratches, rust, and extreme temperatures. Its flexible nature helps reduce road noise and vibration for a quieter ride. Plus, the UV-resistant formula ensures it won't fade, maintaining a professional finish over time. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need, covering a 6 feet to 8 foot truck bed. You'll get multiple bottles of black liner base and a hardener, along with easy-to-follow instructions. Applying it is a breeze. Just fill, shake, and spray with the included gun, or use a roller or brush. It bonds securely to OEM paint and primer for excellent adhesion. The rapid drying formula allows for multiple coats within just an hour, saving you time and getting your vehicle back on the road faster. Beyond truck beds, this versatile liner creates a waterproof, corrosion-resistant, and impact-proof barrier for trailers, boats, and undercoatings. It's designed to prevent rust, chemical damage, and wear. Trust in Raptor, the world leaders in automotive refinishing. We specialize in driving surface perfection with a wide range of high-quality products. What we like. This product offers exceptional durability against scratches, rust, and extreme temperatures. It's designed for a professional finish that won't fade. If you're looking to protect your truck bed or other heavy-duty surfaces from wear and tear, this is an excellent choice for its robust and long-lasting performance. What people say. The Plastikote is a great product that works well. I love the design of the Plastikote, it is very functional. The features of the Plastikote are amazing, and it is a fact that it works perfectly. Number 4. Brink Gypsy Color 4 Light Crystal Chandelier. Introducing the Brink Gypsy Color Chandelier, a stunning 4-light fixture designed to elevate any room. Its elegant design brings a touch of sparkle to your home. This flush mount fixture is perfect for various spaces, from entryways and dining rooms to bedrooms and even hallways. It's designed to complement any decor. Crafted with the highest quality, thick, and faceted acrylic crystals, this chandelier is both strong and surprisingly lightweight. The materials used are known for their durability and clarity. Designed with innovation in mind, it ships flat to minimize damage and waste. This thoughtful design ensures it arrives in perfect condition and reduces environmental impact. Assembly is a breeze. Simply unfold the arms, position the cups, and connect the strands. It's almost fully assembled, making installation quick and easy. Rest assured with its UL certification, guaranteeing the highest standards of safety and quality. This fixture meets rigorous safety ratings for your peace of mind. What we like. This fixture features high-quality acrylic crystals that are both strong and lightweight, offering a brilliant sparkle. Its innovative design allows for easy assembly and reduced shipping waste. If you're looking to add a touch of elegance to entryways, bedrooms, or dining areas with a stylish and easy-to-install chandelier, this is a great option. What people say. It was the look I needed for my shoot, it had a ton of details and came with everything I needed to hang it. The fixture was folded flat in a cardboard housing and held stable for shipment. This enabled the fixture to come out of the box and simply unfold with zero assembly required. The quality of the fixture surpasses the expectations of this price point. The center stem is glass and adds sparkle to the fixture. The acrylic gems or crystals remind me of AZ Gallery fixture we purchased, and cost 5 times what this fixtures did. Number 3. Plastikote 47W 59 ml Enamel Paint, Creme de la Creme. This enamel paint is perfect for a wide range of surfaces including cardboard, ceramic, glass, metal, paper, plastic, wicker, and wood. Its versatility makes it ideal for various projects. Enjoy a non-fading, long-lasting finish with this paint. It's safe for use on children's toys and furniture, providing peace of mind. This paint is ideal for those small projects and craft endeavors. Get creative without needing large quantities. Thanks to its fast-drying formula, you can easily recoat it at any time. This saves you time and allows for quick touch-ups or layering. It comes in a convenient 59 ml paint pot, perfect for use with paintbrushes. This size is great for detailed work and small applications. What we like. This paint provides a durable, non-fading finish suitable for a wide variety of surfaces including wood, metal, and plastic. It's also safe for use on children's toys and furniture, ensuring peace of mind. If you're working on small craft projects or touching up items around the house and need a reliable, safe, and vibrant color, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The product works well and is easy to use. The design is sleek and modern, fitting perfectly in my home. It has a unique feature that sets it apart from other products on the market. Number 2. Plastikote B26W Enamel Paint, Clear. This clear enamel paint is perfect for a wide range of surfaces. You can use it on cardboard, ceramic, glass, metal, paper, plastic, wicker, and wood. Enjoy a non-fading, long-lasting finish that is safe for children's toys and furniture. It provides a durable coating that stands the test of time. This paint is ideal for all your small projects and craft endeavors. It's designed for convenience and detailed work. Thanks to its fast-drying formula, you can easily recoat it at any time. This allows for quick touch-ups and layered effects without waiting. It comes in a convenient 59 ml paint pot, perfect for use with paintbrushes. This size is great for detailed application and small jobs. What we like. This clear coat offers a non-fading, long-lasting finish that adheres well to various materials like glass, metal, and plastic. It's also safe for use on children's items, making it versatile for many projects. If you need a protective, clear sealant for crafts, or want to add a glossy finish to small items without worrying about fading or safety, this is an ideal solution. What people say. The Plastikote spray paint provides a smooth and even finish, making it easy to achieve professional-looking results. It adheres well to various surfaces, including metal, plastic, and wood, offering versatility for different projects. The paint dries quickly, allowing for multiple coats in a short amount of time and reducing project completion time. Number 1. Plastikote B4 Bottle 59 ml White Gloss. Discover the Plastikote B4, your go-to solution for a brilliant white gloss finish. This 59 ml bottle offers convenience and quality for all your projects. Achieve a flawless white gloss that stands out. Its smooth application ensures a professional look every time. The compact 59 ml size is perfect for touch-ups or small projects. It's easy to handle and store, making it a versatile addition to your toolkit. Applying it is a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly design. Get the results you want with minimal effort. Enjoy a finish that not only looks great but also lasts. It provides excellent durability for lasting beauty. Trust in the quality of Plastikote for all your painting needs. Experience the difference that superior products make. What we like. This enamel paint delivers a bright white gloss finish that dries quickly, allowing for efficient project completion. Its convenient small size is perfect for detailed work and touch-ups. If you're looking for a classic white gloss for small DIY projects, crafts, or quick fixes where speed and a clean finish are important, this paint is a solid pick. What people say. Works great on popsicle sticks. One coat is opaque. The matte black was easiest to use, very little mixing needed and a good solid matte black finish. Tie gold was the trickiest as the actual gold pigment had clumped at the bottom like old chewing gum and needed a lot of mixing and working back into tie clear solvent to actually make a gold paint. However, when it was finally mixed together after 10 minutes or so, it was a lovely gold leaf finish as advertised. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.